Hey there, this quick video. Just ordered some Tevise watches. I had ordered this black and blue one a while ago, so I've been wearing for the last week. It's kind of like a homage to the Rolex kind of style. It's got the Cyclops right here and nice sunburst effect. So this is blue and black. Strap is one of those where you just press the button here and it opens up. It's a sturdy strap, it's a little bit thinner than I normally like, but when you're wearing it you really can't notice anything with it as far as being too small or anything. So it's just a minor little gripe. If it was maybe 1 or 2 millimeters wider I'd be happier, but again, for 20 bucks, that's how much these things cost. Chinese movement, of course, so that's what you're going to get for $20. But again, I've worn it for a week and it keeps great time. I do wind it up, however, it is mechanical as well. So there's the weight back there, nice clear backing to see the spring action and everything. So that's the blue one. I just opened these other ones again for $20. Let me get the website up. These are from GearBest. I saw this reviewed on Just One More Watch, and so I'll check it out for 20 bucks. So here's the website on the GearBest app on my phone. $20.58 at the moment. Sometimes they go up to $22 or $25, but again, for an homage to Rolex, and again, they keep good time if you wind them up, which is no big deal. The other ones I've purchased, here's a black face with gold inset and metal outset, so gold and silver. Again, nice face there. Bezel makes a nice clicking noise. And there is some play there, but again, that's not bad for 20 bucks. So there's that one. Went with a white one too. So there's the white face. And again, as I said, they're all the same model. I believe it was T801A men's mechanical watch. So still got to take the blue stickers and the tags off, because I really just got these. So camera isn't going to focus for me anyway. So that's the white one. I wanted kind of like a homage to the Rolex Hulk. So this is the casing comes in. Actually a pretty nice case, again, considering it's only 20 bucks. Comes with a pillow. So here's the Hulk homage. Again, nice sunburst effect on that watch. So again, all the bezels click away. I think it's 60 clicks. Yep, it'll be 60 clicks. So there's that one. So those are the 4 Tevise watches I just recently got to add to my collection. When I was on the website, I couldn't help but order this Rolex Submariner homage. This one, I don't know if you can see. There you go. This one was on sale for $11. Again, I just got this, so I haven't tested it to see how accurate it is. There is no clear backing on this one, but it is, again, a mechanical watch. I'll probably give it a good wind up and test it out for the next couple of days as well. This bezel clicks. It's not as, it's kind of stiff. It kind of gets, so that is really hard to, at certain points, to twist. Again, not a feature I'm going to be using very much, but again, this one's $11. Starts with a K. It looks like a kind of Russian name. or I'm sorry, it starts with AOK. I can't make that out with ASIC at the end. But it's about $11 on GearBest, and a nice homage to Rolex. And I'll be testing this one out. I may leave a comment later or add in the description how it went. But overall, again, this one's $11. Nice kind of logo in the middle, Cyclops right there. But then again, these four are the Tevise, and they're $20. They keep good time. This one that just came in a cardboard box like that, so no nice packaging or anything. But again, who really cares? Anyway, that's just my unboxing on my latest watches, and again, I really recommend GearBest. It took maybe 10 or 11 days for them to come in from the date of ordering, so fairly quick considering they're coming from China. So anyway, please leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.